早上好，我们今天来到北卡这边的动物园了。据说这个动物园是全世界最大的一个野生动物园，我们过来看一下，等一下拍一些照片跟大家分享一下。今天很多的小朋友，我看还有校车带过来，组团过来的很多很多。今天天气也比较适合，不热不冷。好了，等会儿见。这个是地图。
The ones without the head here are male.
Oh my goodness! The little one! The little
If he messes this up one more time, we're going to give him a 1 second penalty. Now we can cheer for your boy. We need a clean one here.
Sometimes these border collies are a little too smart for their own good. They start getting in their own head a little bit. Just second guessing the game. Let's see if we can give this to one. Great job this is. Mr. Ringo Starr is actually 50% dachshund, 50% miniature golden doodle. Say hi to Ringo, everybody. Now, one thing we realized when we first adopted him is that he has an incredible balance. So we're going to show off some of his best balancing tricks. You saw him up on the leg in a sit pretty. You saw him up on the shoulder. Now we're going to try an even harder one. Wow. He's feeling stoked this morning. Nice work. Up on the feet. Let's see if we can make that a little harder. Yeah, nice work. That was pretty impressive. But they do have one more trick that they've been working hard on this winter. He's still trying to nail this in a show. If he actually nails this, I want you guys to go wild. We'll see how he does here. Oh, yeah, there he goes.
I can't really feel it.
我们坐上观光火车了，坐火车逛一逛，走累了。完了。That's a big cat.
He's going back in.